Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover SISU Network. This is a confirmed testnet airdrop and it's free because we are going to do everything in testnet. If it's your first time here, remember that I always put all this information of this Excel on a post in my website, so in the link on the description you go to the post and you will see all this step by step on how to participate on this airdrop. It's a little complex, but nothing to worry with my video step by step. You will get everything very easily, directly to the point. If it's your first time, remember I do cover daily airdrops on my channel, so everything is here explaining step by step, and you can access to my airdrop organizer for free also to know the status of each of the airdrops. So if you're looking for airdrop channel, this is your channel for you. Please stop watching the girl on the thumbnail and like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, today's video is about SISU Airdrop. Remember, this is a free airdrop. I know many of you only apply to the free airdrops, so this is for you also. And SISU is a decentralized blockchain that powers cross-chain communication, and they support cross-chain token swapping, native ERC20, ERC721 to facilitate digital monetary transactions. So there is an airdrop for this project and it's confirmed after the mainnet launch. The size of the airdrop will depend on the number of points that you have. This is a point-based system, and you can earn 15 points a week doing the different tasks that we are going to cover. Swapping tokens cross-chain is 5 points per one transaction. Finding bugs 25 to 100 points. And here I will put an image with all the points of the different things on categories that you can do in order to get the most points that you can. We don't know exactly how much tokens means each point, but as much points you get, much rewards on airdrops you will have. So the website of SISU is actually pretty straightforward, directly to the points about all this cross-chain platform that they want to be. All the links are going to be on the post on the description of this video. In terms of community, it's less than 10,000. So this is an under the radar airdrop, and you can confirm that because if you go to the testnet part of the website and go to the testnet leaderboard, you can see all the major people that has the most amount of points. And you can see, besides the position 1, the second position is 715 points, so it's not that much amount of points for the best people right now applying to this. So I think we are in a really good shape to do this. So let's go to the step by step and stay with me until the end because you need to cover everything here, guys. So first of all, join to the Discord. I put here the invite link that worked correctly. So that would be your first step. Join to the Discord of SISU Network. Then we need to register on the testnet here. On this link, you click there, and after the registration, you will receive an email. So follow the link from the email to confirm the registration. And clicking on the link, it will open a page where you need to log in, enter the email and password that you put during the registration. So we go to the link, we sign up here, put all the information here. So after you sign up and you click the link on the email and everything, you can see that you have your panel, so you can check here your points. This is your rank, and the amount of points that you have, you can check it here on your panel. After doing that, the step 2 is adding Avalanche Fuji test network in our MetaMask wallet. You can do this searching it on chainlist.org. So here you need to click the button so you can see the testnet and search for Avalanche Fuji. Click on connect wallet, add to MetaMask, approve, switch the network. So now you have already Avalanche Fuji testnet. I have 2 AVAX here. I don't know why, if I already have it before or not. So that is step 2. Step 3, we need to claim AVAX token and TIGER testnet faucet to perform task. So these are the 2 links for the faucet. Let's go to the AVAX faucet link, put your wallet there, click on request to AVAX and wait for that. It says that the transaction was successful. So wait for those tokens to appear here. Then let's go to the other faucet, and here again we want to select Avalanche Testnet here, and we want to select Tiger here. Put your wallet, complete the CAPTCHA, click request. So now you will need to wait. This is a request added to the Quake, so wait some minutes, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes even. But let's wait and see when we get those Tiger tokens. After you get your tokens, we need to go to this KO exchange, so click here. We are going to select the Tiger tokens and enter any amount that we want to swap. And next we are going to put Avalanche Test and Binance Smart Chain Test Networks respectively on the swap. So go here, connect your MetaMask. You can see that I have in balance 25 Tiger. I will put 5 here. This is the gas fee amount, and I'm going to put from Avalanche to Binance Smart Chain and click on give permission, confirm. Now click on swap. Remember, you pay gas fees with AVAX, that is why we needed AVAX. Now the transaction is submitted. Click on the transaction because we need to wait and see this in the Explorer. So have this transaction, this link here. You need to copy this and copy in the notepad because we are going to need this link. So all the link here on your browser, you need to copy it, including the transaction ID, which is the transaction hash that you have here. You have it in the URL, so you need to copy all that. Okay guys, I found here that here you have the link for the destination chain, so click there. So here is the source link and this is the destination link. And that is the step 5. When you do the swap, after click on there, new tabs will be open automatically. Copy the full link, including transaction, in the address bar and save it on your notepad. So now we need to go to the website of SISU Network leaderboard. In the home page on the top side, select Testnet, then click on submit your contribution. In the category section in the list, select swapping tokens cross-chain. In the transaction link field, paste your copy link to a transaction that we save early and click submit. So let's go here to the link. In Testnet, click on submit your contribution. Swapping tokens, the transaction link from the source is this one, the one that is from Snowtrace from Avalanche. So I will put that there. And I will put the Binance Smart Chain as the destination chain. Everything working fine. And I will submit this. So this is already 5 points, guys. So remember to click these two links when you do the transaction. This is the source and this is the destination. You need to put these two links in the submission here. Thanks for submitting your contribution. Then you can wait and you will get your points after some time. You go here, your points, and you will see your points. You can submit another contribution, which is finding bugs, nodes operators, community to contributing to the community. Not really know about that. We can ask in the Discord channel about that option. But basically, guys, those are the steps that you need to do. After some time, you will be awarded by the 5 points. You can check it by entering your username in the search engine. Similarly, you can check your ranks also. And you can earn 5 points for each transaction. We have to earn as much points as we can. The more points we will have, the airdrop token will be get. So try to complete other simple tasks also, and don't forget earn 15 points every week by swapping cross-chain tokens. And here are the amount of points that you are going to get if you do each of these stuff. Of course, many of these are not for us or are for developers, so swapping tokens is the one that is more available for you. Remember also, guys, to follow them on Twitter and in the Discord channel, like I already put the link there. And basically that is all for the video, guys. Remember, this is free because you use the faucet for Tiger and AVAX. And remember that if you want to follow all my airdrops, you can go and have access to the airdrop organizer, which is on this Excel file right now. We have the status of everything here updated and what we need to do, the potential or confirm of the airdrop, and all the information of my videos and the step-by-steps here. So go into my airdrop organizer, the link is in the description, and you can download it, of course, for free. So go to file and click on download and you will be done. That is all for this video, guys. Remember to follow me at CryptoSystate in Twitter, where I post everything about airdrops and news. And like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.